Acids are substances that have a sour taste and can dissolve metals, burn your skin, and react with bases to form salts. In chemistry, acids are typically classified into two categories: strong acids and weak acids. Common acids include as hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, phosphoric acid, and nitric acid, acetic acid, boric acid, hydrofluoric acid, oxalic acid. Hydrochloric acid, HCl, is a strong, highly acidic solution composed of hydrogen and chlorine ions. It is a colorless, pungent liquid that is highly corrosive and can cause severe burns on contact with skin and eyes. Hydrochloric acid has several important functions in various industries and in the human body. Industrial uses: hydrochloric acid is used to produce a wide range of chemicals, including fertilizers, dyes, and pharmaceuticals. It is also used in the production of PVC plastic, leather, and metal cleaning. Food industry: hydrochloric acid is used in the production of food additives, such as high fructose corn syrup, and in the processing of sugar and corn. Regulating pH levels in the stomach: in the human body, hydrochloric acid is produced by the stomach lining and helps to break down food and kill harmful bacteria that may be present in food. It also plays a role in regulating the pH level of the stomach. Testing for minerals: hydrochloric acid is used in geological testing to determine the presence of minerals. Sulfuric acid, H2SO4, is a highly corrosive and strong acid that is widely used in various industrial and laboratory applications. It is a colorless, odorless liquid that is soluble in water and can cause severe burns on contact with skin and eyes. Sulfuric acid has numerous functions and applications, including industrial uses. Sulfuric acid is used in the production of fertilizers, detergents, paints, plastics, and many other chemicals. Battery manufacturing: sulfuric acid is used as an electrolyte in lead-acid batteries, which are commonly used in cars, trucks, and other vehicles. Mineral processing: sulfuric acid is used in the extraction and purification of metals, such as copper, zinc, and nickel. Oil refining: sulfuric acid is used in the refining of crude oil and to remove impurities from gasoline. Water treatment: sulfuric acid is used in the treatment of drinking water to adjust pH levels and remove impurities. Laboratory applications: sulfuric acid is used. Phosphoric acid, H3PO4, is a colorless, odorless, and highly acidic liquid that is commonly used in various industrial and food applications. It is composed of phosphorus, hydrogen, and oxygen ions. Phosphoric acid has numerous functions and applications, including food and beverage industry. Phosphoric acid is used as a food additive, particularly in soft drinks, to give them a tangy flavor and to adjust their acidity. It is also used as a flavor enhancer in the production of candies and baked goods. Fertilizer production: phosphoric acid is used in the production of fertilizers, particularly those used in the cultivation of crops that require high levels of phosphorus. Metal cleaning and etching: phosphoric acid is used to clean and etch metals, particularly aluminum, before painting or coating. Water treatment: phosphoric acid is used in the treatment of drinking water to prevent the formation of lead and copper pipes. Rust removal: phosphoric acid is used to remove rust and other corrosion from metal surfaces. Laboratory Nitric acid, HNO3, is a highly corrosive and strong acid that is commonly used in various industrial and laboratory applications. It is a colorless or yellowish liquid that emits a strong, pungent odor. Nitric acid has numerous functions and applications, including industrial uses. Nitric acid is used in the production of fertilizers, plastics, dyes, and pharmaceuticals. It is also used in the manufacture of explosives, such as dynamite and nitroglycerin. Cleaning: nitric acid is used to clean and etch metals, particularly copper, brass, and bronze. Laboratory applications: nitric acid is used in various laboratory procedures, such as the preparation of reagents and the testing of substances. Rocket fuel: nitric acid is used as an oxidizing agent in rocket fuel. Tanning: nitric acid is used in the tanning of animal hides to prepare them for use in leather products. Photography: nitric acid is used in the preparation of photographic films and papers. Acetic acid, Chiku, is a weak organic acid that is commonly used in various industrial and household applications. It is a colorless liquid that has a distinctive sour taste and pungent smell. Acetic acid has numerous functions and applications, including food and beverage industry. Acetic acid is used as a food additive and preservative, particularly in pickling and preserving foods such as cucumbers, olives, and peppers. It is also used in the production of vinegar. Industrial uses: acetic acid is used in the production of various chemicals, such as vinyl acetate, acetic anhydride, and esters, which are used in the manufacture of textiles, plastics, and other materials. Laboratory applications: acetic acid is used in various laboratory procedures, such as the preparation of reagents and the testing of substances. Cleaning: acetic acid is used as a cleaning agent, particularly in households, to remove stains, grime, and mineral deposits from surfaces such as glass, metal, and ceramic. Boric acid, H3BO3, is a weak, colorless, and odorless acid that is commonly used in various industrial, medical, and household applications. It is composed of boron, oxygen, and hydrogen ions. Boric acid has numerous functions and applications, including insecticide. Boric acid is used as an insecticide, particularly in households, to kill cockroaches, termites, and other pests. Medical uses: boric acid is used in various medical applications, such as eye drops, wound dressings, and as a topical antiseptic. Cosmetics: boric acid is used in various cosmetic products, such as eye makeup and skin lotions, as a preservative and emulsifier. Industrial uses: boric acid is used in the production of fiberglass, ceramics, and other materials. It is also used as a flame retardant in various products. Laboratory applications: boric acid is used in various laboratory procedures, such as the preparation of reagents and the testing of hydrofluoric acid, HF, is a highly corrosive and toxic acid that is used in various industrial applications. It is a colorless or slightly yellow liquid that has a pungent odor and can dissolve glass, ceramics, metals, and organic materials. Hydrofluoric acid has numerous functions and applications, including industrial uses. Hydrofluoric acid is used in the production of various chemicals, such as fluorocarbons and aluminum fluoride, which are used in the manufacture of refrigerants, plastics, and other materials. It is also used in the petroleum industry for oil refining and in the production of semiconductors. Etching: hydrofluoric acid is used as an etching agent for glass and ceramics. It can also be used to remove oxides and other impurities from metal surfaces. Cleaning: hydrofluoric acid is used as a cleaning agent, particularly for removing rust and other deposits from metal surfaces. Laboratory applications: hydrofluoric acid is used in various laboratory procedures, such as the preparation of reagents. Oxalic acid, C2H2O4, is a strong organic acid that is commonly found in plants and vegetables. It is a colorless, crystalline solid that is soluble in water and has a sour taste. Oxalic acid has numerous functions and applications, including cleaning. Oxalic acid is used as a cleaning agent, particularly for removing stains and rust from various surfaces, such as concrete, wood, and metal. Industrial uses: oxalic acid is used in the production of various chemicals, such as dyes, bleaches, and pharmaceuticals. Photography: oxalic acid is used in the preparation of photographic films and papers. Rust removal: oxalic acid is used to remove rust and other metal stains from fabrics. Woodworking: oxalic acid is used as a wood bleach to lighten the color of wood and to remove stains. Medical uses: oxalic acid has some medical uses, such as in the treatment of kidney stones,